Hi friends, maybe this video is more for kids in school or for you puberty people. So like boys and girls, if you want to have a beautiful skin, so without acne, it is very simple. You just need to remove the fat from your diet, and the best way is also just to be on a raw food 100%. This will not clean your skin immediately, but after a while it will be better and better. You see, I have now beautiful skin for me. This is perfect skin for me. I will not tell you how it was. Now it's perfect for more than 10 years. As long as we are on the raw food, we have a beautiful skin, both with Tina. How is this true? I can show you also the skin from Tina. You see, and you have beautiful skin everywhere in the body. This is perfect, and this can be done. Well, I tried in the past everything, but just with the raw food and the simple fat, of course, on the raw food. On the raw food you need to just eat avocados if you want to have the best skin. Okay, so yeah, that's it. If you need some further questions, just put a comment below. I will help you if you want. Thank you very much for watching. Please share and subscribe to BT Spy Love. Ciao ciao.
Ciao.